Traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, it's planting season. We now have a wet, cold spring, so 4 days of rain coming forward here, and maybe it's going to snow in Missouri this weekend. So the corn market not up on this type of weather forecast in the short term, so that's always a concern. And what follows next week weather-wise will be important. So we'll see about that. Corn market up and down on NAFTA talks this week. Certainly exports are really, really important. And our three biggest customers are Canada, China, and Mexico. So it's really important to keep this gauge open here in North America and sell our grains to our neighbors to the north and our neighbors to the south. So exports continue to be key. They were very good yesterday in corn and very, very good in soybean. So soybean market, backing up, we're going to look at weekly charts this week. And our first chart is a weekly chart of corn. You can see it in very good support. Funds are now short corn and wheat and a little bit of soybean. So maybe the short term, the market's going to punish some of these short positions. Okay, soybean market, stellar export sales yesterday. So that's this time of the year with South America and all the soybeans they have, that's impressive. Soybean meal demand out of China, very robust. That's impressive. Cattle market. Cattle's in a bullish market here, and it's as bullish now as it was bearish a while back. That's protein that the world wants. So soybean, that's protein that the world wants. So I keep thinking here, these record acres soy is getting worked into the price of soybean almost on a daily basis. So I'm getting a little bit friendly longer term soybean. And the consumption from the world is very, very strong. So this is a good story. We're going to keep talking about it. You can see our next chart, a weekly chart of soy in very good support. So we'll see what happens here going forward. The wheat market, we've got a weekly chart on wheat here. And again, it's in good support. There's a big short position in the market in wheat. Yesterday, Kansas City wheat was up 10 cents on this cold temperatures in Kansas and things like that. So we'll see in the short term how this world works its way out. Okay, the CME group. The last couple of years, their growth has come from outside of our great country, USA. So China, other parts of Asia, Indonesia, India, trading in our markets. Commodity markets are going to explode in the months ahead here, months and years ahead. Nobody's talking about this, but the whole world's coming in here. So a lot of you folks are looking at these markets and get an account open and get ready for what lies ahead. Similar to the cattle market, these markets are kind of bearish here now with big supply, but watch how demand is very, very good. And wrapping this up, 30 years ago, we had Chernobyl, and I was on the CME trading floor, and the world came into these agricultural markets. And history shows us when there's calamities in the world, they come to USA for their grain and their food, and the world's got to eat. We're in the same situation today. Everybody have an excellent weekend.